guys. So anyway, this is Ashley. This is my channel. I'm unboxing the Ipsy Glam bag for December. This is their Oh What Fun themed package. So just before we get into this video, I want to say that Ipsy sent me this product. Thank you, Ipsy. Ipsy Glam bags are $12 a month. You get 5 sample size items as well as a little cute Ipsy bag. This is orange, it is pink, it has a gold zipper pull, and it says hooray Ipsy, and there are my items inside. So we're just gonna, I don't know what's in here, we're gonna find out together. All right, first up we have Sophia and Maybelle's fruit lip oil. So this, I actually have one of theirs. It's not this one though, it's a different, like a darker one. Really nice. I actually have been using these so much, like I use them all the time. I have it on right now. This is not the Sophia Maybelle, but it's the Make. These are great. I run, so going out in the morning, I have to make sure that my lips, my whole face, everything is protected. So these are really nice to have. All right, then we have, this is from Milk Makeup. This is their Rise Mascara. Lift, length, and volume. So I won't open this because I have a billion of mascaras and I don't want it to dry out. I actually, to be honest, my girls, my 13 and 15-year-olds ask me for mascaras all the time because they lose them. So this will probably end up theirs, but hey, I don't mind. Then we have a lip liner called Luna Magic in the color Besitos. So just like a plummy red color, very pretty. I've never heard of this brand, Luna Magic. Very cool. I'll try to insert some shots in there if I remember. All right, then we have, ooh, Tea Time Rose Tea Eye Cream by a company called Biro New York. I love eye cream. To be honest though, I haven't been using it much because every eye cream I own, I went through everything. Every eye cream, with the exception of maybe 1 or 2, have hyaluronic acid. So I'm going to do an ingredients deep dive before I use this. I love the little package too. And check. But if it has hyaluronic acid, I don't want to use it because I'll get like, you know, stuff. Anyway, so there's that. All right, finally in my Ipsy Glam bag, we have the First Aid Beauty's Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. That's interesting. I've had their moisturizing cream or whatever. This is their collagen cream. I don't think I've ever tried this one. All right, so that is my Ipsy Glam bag for December. In this package, we have our, obviously, our cute bag. Look, this is the back. I didn't show you guys that. We have our First Aid Beauty Collagen Cream, our Tea Time Rose Tea Eye Cream, our lip liner, our mascara, and our lip oil, all for $12. So I think that's a great deal. As always, if you're interested in checking out Ipsy, I will link to them down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.